Let's do this. Yeah, I don't care. You take that lily pad. I don't think I'll need it, but I'm going to have it anyway. I should have probably put it down here. But it's okay. Okay. I need one more lantern for here. Oh yeah, Freezer. Freezer was always helpful. Really, you're gonna steal my thing? I don't think so. Bam. Punk. Put that down here. Okay. Freezer's almost gone. Activate. All zombies frozen. And now they have the slow status. Put that right there. Replace the tall nut with a walnut. Huge waves of zombies is approaching. There we go. So let's spread some light on the subject. Although I will be replacing that with possibly with a lantern, which is right there. That is what I need. Booyah. I should have put it on that one. That's okay. Oh, hey, there we go. A triple. I like triples. Triples are cool. It's probably going to get him. Yep. Alright. So now we can just start adding in random things. And I think that might be eaten. That lantern might get eaten. Oh well. I still have the... Yeah, see, that's why I should have put the... Okay, we'll put that there. Yep, don't care. Boom. Now we set up fire. Ooh, got some candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Okay, put that right there to stop him. Slow him down. Need some offense for that bottom level there. Perfect. Eat melon pulled. Ha ha ha. Now normally you would put the millipults in a space where they can hit 3. But for this level, it's okay to put them on the top and bottom. And scaredy guy. But that's okay, because he can provide offense right there. He's got a quick recharge. The only thing that's a negative about him is that he, when an enemy gets nearby, he ducks. Yeah, I don't care. Steal that guy. Just gonna replace him. Replaced. Put that there just randomly. Another magnet right there to stop any metal guys from coming through. Won't use a jalapeno. Possibly. I'll let it sit for a while till and yeah, put that right there. Supplies. And another jalapeno. I'll use that one right there. Boom. Death to all. Use that one right there. Boom. Alright, and we're getting a freezy, yes. Which I will hold off to until it starts fading, and then that's when I'll use it. Nope, I'm gonna put that right there. Get some protection for the magnet. Oh, got a football player. And here he comes. Oh, and that disappeared, but that's okay. Oh, and then that's gone. But hopefully enough damage is dealt. Yes. More lily pads just because. I'll wait till that gets to the end. And boom. Trapped. Another magnet. Yeah. Glad to see the spikes are doing their thing. Now I just need to stop the spikes, or stop at the spikes.